We're going to multiply two fractions. We're going to find the product 2/3 times 15 over 4. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we multiply numerators and we multiply denominators. So let's do that. Multiplying the numerators, I have 2 times 15. And multiplying the denominators, I have 3 times 4. And now we'd like to simplify this if we can. And I'm just going to write prime factorizations of the numbers in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator. 2 is prime number, and I can write 15 as 3 times 5. 3 is a prime number in the denominator, and I can write 4 as 2 times 2. Now let's look and see what we have in both the numerator and the denominator. I have a factor of 2 in each place, and I have a factor of 3 in each place. So I can rewrite this as 2 times 3 over 2 times 3, and what remains in the numerator is 5, and what remains in the denominator is a factor of 2. 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 is equal to 1, so I have 1 times 5/2, or 5/2 for the product of 2/3 and 15 over 4.